Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another daily vlog. I have a lot more contact hours today than I have previously presented to you, which is new for this year, so that's exciting. It is now 7:44 and I got up 5 minutes ago, hence this. I'm kind of coming out of a cold at the moment, fresh as flu I guess, so apologies if my voice sounds really weird. And if I breathe heavily. I've got asthma as well, so colds are quite difficult. I haven't got up this early in so long, and normally I wouldn't get up this early because I don't have early contact hours, but today I have a tutorial at 9 AM, which is great. I could have got up at 8:30 and still made it on time, but I thought I'd be productive and get some organisational things done this morning. Also, I need to kind of reread my essay before I go into the tube. So yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and then get on with my day. This is what I'm wearing. It just isn't fashionable, but I'm just going for comfort. I need to eat. I'm gonna go eat. To apologise to everyone in my accommodation block for that antisocial breakfast, but I really wanted a smoothie. So right now I am just going to check what is in my diary for today and file these notes, and then if I've got time, which I don't think I will, go over my essay, but like I said, I don't think I will, so we'll see. I have refreshed my memory of my essay just by reading through it a couple of times, and I've noticed a few typos, but that's okay. Now I am just going to get ready to go, so I'm going to brush my teeth and pack my bag. Tutorial now. I'll film the way in a montagey type thing, but I'm not gonna film inside, obviously, because that would be an embarrassment to myself. Yeah, I'll see you afterwards. My walk-in in the morning, it's so pretty. I just get to walk through the castle every day, particularly at night. It's all lit up as well. See, so pretty. So I'm talking quietly because I don't want her to think that I'm weird because I've never met her before. But my cheap partner's not here yet because really early. I set off too early. Overestimated how long it would take me to get here. This is probably... Someone just came. This is probably worst corridor in the whole college. It's grim, to be honest. The tutorial is done and it went really well. I haven't actually had my breakfast yet, so I'm just gonna drink that and go to Sainsbury's to buy.
The motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Back in my room now. It is actually no idea what time it is. I'm gonna check. 10:30. It is 10:32 and I don't have to leave the room again for like an hour and 10 minutes. I'm gonna get some work done. I'm also gonna make a packed lunch because the building that I'm going to next is like the far away archaeology building where they do all of the biological stuff. So I am going to make a packed lunch now because I've just bought the stuff for my lunch from Sainsbury's and take it in a little Tupperware to have in my hours break between my lecture and my 2-hour class. So I may as well just stay there. There's a little common room, I can do some work sat there. I don't know what I'm going to do after the class. I also don't know if or how I'm going to film it. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to take my phone and then maybe get some like sneaky shots of like the room that I'm in and stuff. My lunch is cooking as you saw and now I'm going to do some work. I would have put 3 sausages in but they're expensive and I don't want to like waste them all in one go because they need to last me like 2 weeks. I'm currently just trying to download as much reading for my next essay as possible so that when I come back to it I can literally open the tabs and get going. Thankfully a lot of this module is online because it's scientific articles, which is really helpful, but I might have to go to the library at some point. I have my hummus in this little pot here. My sausages are wrapped up in foil because I don't know, it makes the veg go a bit less floppy. I'm gonna go to my lecture now. It's like a 20-minute walk, so it's about 11:35, and then it's lunchtime finally. Then I have a 2-hour class. Got my dissertation folder with me with all my notes in it because I'm having a meeting after the class, hopefully. I love the castle. I am currently on my way back to college because my class was cancelled. But it means I've got loads of time now, so I'm going to do some printing and start the essay that's due next Monday. I am just doing some printing in the library and then I'm going to go home. I didn't film my lunch because I was eating it in the JCR, so in the common room, and there was loads of people there playing pool and stuff. Okay, the cleaners must be here. This bin's also stink, like this is not fun. Oh, come on. I'm basically just going to do some work now, so like the stuff I started before I went to my lecture, I'm going to carry on with. Yeah, basically I'm just going to try and get stuff done and be productive and make the most of my time.
2 hours later.
I'm really bad at sitting in the same place for long periods of time without having to like move or sing songs that don't even exist. Like, I just can't, I can't do it. Here and now, it's time for celebration. Finally figured out that all our dreams have no limitation. That's what it's all about. Yeah, yeah. Together, 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 everyone. Together, together. Come on, let's have some fun. It's been like an hour since my last clip, but I'm currently just in bed with my tissues because I keep sneezing and I can't really breathe through my nose. I'm watching Jane the Virgin at the moment. I'm only on series 1, but I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, I'm only gonna watch 1 episode because after that I'm either going out with friends or just gonna cook my own meal. I'm also not gonna do any more work. No. I handed in a whole essay yesterday and I don't have to hand in another one for a whole week. So, no. I can't believe that I'm saying that during term. I have time. Okay, I'm gonna go cook and you're gonna come with me. I am making spaghetti. Oh my gosh. Okay, but I'm so bad at cooking. I have this sauce thing that I got from Asda. It's like a veggie chili thing from a tin. But yeah, I've got half of a tin left, so I'm gonna have that with it. Wow, okay. I'm gonna go to Peter's bar for like half an hour. Only because I just want to leave my room. So I'm gonna eat, sort my face out. Hi. What? So I've put a little bit of makeup on and I'm gonna go to the bar now for like probably only an hour maximum, then come home and try and do some work after actually getting outside. Stop! You're so annoying! You hate me. I really did only stay in the bar for 5 minutes. No, half an hour. What am I talking about? 45 minutes. And I'm gonna watch a film now with housemates, just buying some snacks. I kind of want these. Who puts milk in salt and vinegar? What the hell? I'm so spoiled for choice. Like, on the one hand, I really want these, but also they're £2 and that's quite expensive when I could get those for $1.20. Ah! Or do I want chocolate? God, so much choice. So I just got back from going to the bar and to Sainsbury's. Like I said, I literally stayed in the bar for like 45 minutes and had a Pepsi Max, like a pint of. I wasn't gonna get alcohol, I just wanted some just a drink in a public place that wasn't here. Like, I literally have Pepsi Max on my shelf. I don't know what film we're gonna watch yet, but like, let's be honest, it's gonna be a rom-com. It always is. It's like 8 now, But I'm gonna sign off here because I don't think my friends will want me filming them watching a rom-com. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I know it hasn't been like... It was going to be based on me studying like actually hard and having a full day, and that just didn't happen. This is a real day. This is what happened. I wasn't particularly productive, had a really good morning, and then all went downhill, and that tends to happen, to be honest. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this style of video. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs, because I've got quite a few sit-down videos planned, but also these are fun to do. Just depends if you actually like them. Bye!